moving the Sundown U sub, we put them in the box. Out of here, take them out of here, and then we're gonna figure something else out. Well, we gotta get these out of here for now. So y'all stay tuned. We get it started. Okay. I'm gonna have you do some lifting in a minute, boy. Back the camera up a little bit. All right, my boy. I'm gonna get this out. You can put the screws over there in that corner right there. Let me get my foot. Alright. Take them to the table once I hand them to you, my boy. Shit. Well. Always something. Come on, my boy. Can you hold it up? Wrap around this little lip right there. You feel a little lip? Yeah. Okay, hold it up a little bit. So.
This part right here?
Yeah, keep it up. Alright, you see a little push, you see a little tab right there, push it up. Yeah, push it up and pull it right out. There you go. You got it? Alright. Sit on the table. There you go. There we go. Got one down. Alright, let me give you this thing and tell you what I want you to do. We're gonna make sure it works right. That probably didn't come. I probably didn't close. See this here? It's 1.8, around about 2 on. That's what it's supposed to be. So close enough. So what you do, you can see how I did that right there. I want you to do the same thing on the other side. Make sure it's the same thing.
1.8, right?
Yeah, 1.8, close to 2.
It's like jumping around between 1.9 to 1.20.
Okay, that's cool. The 2.0, yeah, that's good. See, every time you move it a little bit, it's gonna move. But when you don't, even just look, like, see how we talk around it to make it move. But you know, that's good. So that's a good one right there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hand you every one of them. Well, you're gonna take them over here. I ain't gonna hand you. You're younger than me, so you gotta be alright. I'm gonna hand you these, or let you take them over there. I don't think there's gonna be too much handing going on. These ought to be easy for you, my boy. So remember the last ones you picked up was bigger than this. Remember those?
No.
That's the ones in that black truck. Me and Uncle had you picking them up.
Oh.
Yeah, remember that? Yeah, that yeah.
I was struggling with those.
Yeah, these right here are a whole lot easier. can. You can go there. Same thing?
What's it called? It didn't hit any of the 20s that time, but
yeah, the 2.0, she was like about 1.9, 1 point,
yeah,
somewhere in there.
It was like 1.9.
Okay, that's
1.8. Sometimes it went down to 1.5.
Yeah, it moved around a little bit. If it started saying something real crazy, then we got a little problem then.
Okay, 1.8, 1.9, sometimes 1.20.
You in 2.0?
Yeah, 2.9.
Alright, here we go. We got last one. Oh. Hey, get the foot. Somebody fix the foot down there. On the table down here. On this side. I think it's going in the ground, ain't it?
Yeah.
Damn. Alright, tell you what. Move the box. Let's even it out. Too heavy on one side. There we go. Yeah, should go from, somewhere up in there. Yeah, I might be almost professionals at this, eh? Okay. Let me check the other side. Alright, we're gonna do this just for the purpose of us knowing for sure. Go through there, check all of them all over again, boy. Always make sure. Yeah. We got 3 Sundown U15s. Remove dual 2-ohms. We're gonna go ahead and get rid of these eventually. I don't know how fast they're gonna go, but we got these out. They look perfect condition, as y'all can see. None of the scuffs on them or none of that. You know, I just wiped the dust off of them, and they still, you know, I don't know if that means anything, but you know, still kind of stiff or whatnot. They ain't real loose. Like I said, I don't know how much that means to y'all, but we got them removed, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get these boxed up, and they'll be on the market getting ready to go, hopefully. So we'll be back. We're gonna take it out. Let me know if we can handle it, my boy. Probably handle it though. You handle it.
Put it on.
Get a little close to the truck. That way I'm grabbing glass. You got it? But no, now.
There.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.